I'm at Sonic in Carterville, Georgia, where we're going to try the new summer BLT chicken sandwich. Can I get a summer chicken BLT sandwich?
This place that everyone got no patience and everything's in your face.
Let's go ahead and get this show on the road.
Attention.
It's hot, obviously been freshly cooked. Let's cut it in half. Now there's one thing I see in a lot of videos that I don't like, and that's when the guy sitting in his car takes a big Mongo bite out of his hamburger, puts it in front of the camera. I think that's kind of gross, so I have an answer to that. It's called a very good pocket knife.
Not paying attention. You got me losing connection.
Looks like a fairly attractive sandwich. Let's go ahead and give it the Joe bite test. The bacon is very crunchy, obviously cooked this century. Even the chicken sandwich is fairly crunchy. I like the lettuce, I like the tomato. I'm trying to decide how I like bacon and chicken together. Seems like an odd mix. Let's try and clear the palate with a little Diet Pepsi. Plenty of bacon. Not a bad sandwich. The chicken isn't too salty. It has enough lettuce on it. Not a bad sandwich at all. This sandwich cost a little more than $5. A little pricey for a freestanding sandwich, in my opinion. We pop the top back. We have lettuce, tomato, and cheese. Makes for a fairly good combination. As you can probably guess, I'm pretty hungry. I like the sandwich. I think it'd be better if it had a beef patty instead of a chicken patty. I'm not really sure how well that bacon goes along with that chicken. The cheese definitely helps it. As far as sandwiches go, I have to rate this on a 1 to 10. In the flavor department, about a 7. In the freshness department, I would give it about a 9. Looks like most of this stuff was cooked relatively close to order. It only took them about 4 minutes to produce it. I think we'll give them about a 7.5. All total on the sandwich. It's edible, but I'm not sure I'd leave the house to go get it.
I'm in a temporary. So full of.
I'm definitely not hungry anymore. Let's clean up old Bessie and put her away for another day. If you found this information useful, if it'll help you decide what to eat, even if you don't, it doesn't help you decide what to eat, and you find it entertaining, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you feel like it, check out my other channel called Joe Fixes It. We will see you in the next video.
So full of aggression, not paying attention. You got me losing connection. I'm in a temporary home. So full of aggression.
And there was a time when I did come here a lot, but that was back when the dog was alive and the dog used to like to eat their tater tots.
So full of aggression, not paying attention. You got me losing